drowning in the lost emotion, crying like some kind of ocean.
Hi! We are here today at the Copenhagen ZeroNorth Summer party. We're out on the water today picking up trash before it sinks to the bottom and enters the ocean where it becomes microplastic.
I think it's always nice to do something purposeful and meaningful together. I think it creates an even stronger bond, and I'm hoping that this is what people can take with them after this.
We will be carrying the kayaks from the assembly point all the way down to the water. We will get these pickers to pick up trash into big buckets. And in the end, we'll put it all together in big bags, we'll put it on a scale and see who collected the most.
Watch my heartbreak go down the drain. My heartbreak go down the drain. My heartbreak go down.
It's a nice way to get out with the office, actually feel the impact that is being made in the world today.
It's bringing a reality to the people in the ZeroNorth team, so it makes us feel like we can touch the earth and actually make a real impact right now.
So we partner up with an artist who is going to turn the trash that we collected today to a sculpture that we can keep as a memory.
I would like to show that a lot of raw materials and also just like materials in general can actually be recycled over and over and over again. I really believe that if we start changing that mindset, we can actually make a transformation. We need to all start caring more and taking action today so we can preserve the planet for the future generation.
I think we all go into a little bit of an autopilot in our everyday life, and I hope getting out, getting into nature, talking to people, getting to know them better, I hope that's something that can motivate people to reach our goals, which are very ambitious as well, and to work for a more sustainable and green future.